I have to say it's not often you go into a building for a breath of fresh air, but doesn't it feel that way? Think about a building that has incredible efficiencies built into it. Efficiencies that are going to help all of us, the people who work here, the District of Columbia, and ultimately the globe. And this is not a joking matter, and this is certainly not irrelevant.
I always like to tell people I want important decisions to be made there, and so I think people are more apt to hold meetings there, make sure that vendors and business partners are coming in to see us, make sure that the members are meeting at the physical ASH headquarters. The members come in, whether it's for board meeting, for committee meetings, for budget meetings, and they're making decisions in an environment that makes them feel real good. And I think that when you feel real good, you tend to make better decisions.
This was a very challenging project. Had to first rush in, frankly, and understand how this building was being designed and constructed from a base building standpoint, while we quickly assembled a team to execute on the mission and vision that ASH had set forth for the project overall. But ASH understood that this was going to represent their organization for the next 20 years. And so they gave us the latitude to make those smart decisions to deliver quality and value across all of their needs. And that is really the wonderful experience that we got from working with ASH that we will now transfer as best as we can to all of our clients going forward.
Very significant for Forrester Construction. It really gave our team a wonderful opportunity to push the envelope in terms of learning on a LEED Platinum project. It also allowed us to utilize and learn about new technologies that are being employed in this building. Also, it really reflects our commitment to the sustainability goals of our organization.
The most unique construction application in this project was probably the communicating stair. The communicating stair starts on the building's 6th floor and goes to the building's 9th floor. It was a request of the owner to have this because it essentially tied their space together and allowed free access. From a construction standpoint, some of the key LEED elements were indoor air quality, construction waste management, and recycled and regional materials. Construction generates a lot of waste, so concrete gets reused, drywall gets reused, wood gets ground up into mulch. Recycled and regional materials is incorporating into the design the end user's goal of using recycled materials and materials that are produced and extracted locally.
Our CEO, Rick Fedrizzi, and I looked at this building before we signed the lease on our building at 2101 L Street. But the honest to gosh truth is that at that point, the owners had done they were kind of underway with stuff, and we looked at the system and said, well, we'll never get to platinum here. So I just want to say to the entire team, and especially to ASH, what an outstanding effort to take this building and to have the wherewithal to turn it into something this magnificent. So great job. The LEED Platinum plaque. Here.
And we're here to celebrate the achievement of attaining a LEED Platinum certification in this building. But I'd like to offer that this building represents something in addition to that, which is what I would call the perfect balance. And that's the balance between not just environmental sustainability or environmental health, but also economics. And then at the end of the day, the building itself, it's an office building. It's got to be a wonderful, productive workplace. And this building really accomplished that, and I think that's really part of the celebration, is that you can achieve sustainability, you can achieve environmental goals by also achieving these other critical pieces.